Alright, so majority of the stuff are light colors, well, dark colors. So I have a few light colors that I'm going to start with. Starting with this one. Have a few white pieces. I might put them in this for just go and soak until I don't wash. And this triple crown laundry blue. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't remember how to use this. I think you just dip it in the water when you just dip it in the wash water. John, this you just dip it in the water where you go wash, right? And the rinse water you going now. What? The blue. I think I will just soak up the white stuff. White stuff, yeah. Come. Yeah, no. I not use no bleach. Oh, just put it in the water and it is about it. Put it close and then yeah. Yeah, long time I not use it either, but you me no want use no bleach. So I go use a little piece. So my brother did I buy one, so I just buy one too. Okay. Yeah. These are just for soak until I'm done. It seems like I want more water though. Put some of this in there. Alright. It's time to wash. Let these go and soak out some more and then wash these. And these not really dirty that much, just where these go river. So yeah, lick and promise. Actually, they're not really dirty. Clothes are really dirty, you can't give them a second, but these don't really have no dirt on them like that. Just sweat, sea water, river water. But the only thing is I'm gonna give them 2 rinse. I don't know yet, might give them a second wash. These are lighter colors. like neck part need washing brush. But my mother-in-law asleep. I don't know where she have her washing brush. Yeah, you have washing brush in there? So yesterday we went to St. Elizabeth's and then the grill. Enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Anytime you guys are in Negril, you have to check out this restaurant, One Fusion. I'll find out exactly which popular hotel it's beside. Right on the beach on Negril. From Atlanta, Jamaica, it's the best food we've had. Trust me. One Fusion, Negril on the beach or so. And the girl that cooking there, she's from St. Elizabeth. You know, St. Elizabeth people can cook. But the food tastes really good. I'll find out all the info and give you guys. So you have to check it out. The jerk shrimp, the jerk chicken, them stamp and go or fritters, whatever you call it. Tastes so good. And everything is prepared by order. So the food not really cook and put on. I think them have the fritters pre-prepared, like the butter, and then whenever you order it, them just fry it. You get it nice and hot. And if you want to go to river now, it's Benta River. Well, in Westmoreland, that is, because you know Jamaica have a lot of hidden gems, lots of rivers, but one that's closest to us is Benta River, Williamsfield, that's where Jeffrey was born, and Venture. I think both of them merge, but they are at two different sides. They connect in some way. No one tell no lie, but me know them connect. But we used to go into Venture, yeah, from a long time. Venture was the place to go. It's really nice and now the place more developed and all of that. But we went to Benta River the other day. First time I'm going to that side. Same place in Williamsfield, both of them in Williamsfield. $25 for tourists and was $1,200 for locals. The guy convinced that we're not local, so my brother was in there, take out a local ID, and we paid $1,200 to go in. It's really nice over there, so relaxing. You can sit over there and write a book. I think the dog won't need to go use the bathroom or something. But Jeffrey's still asleep. Take off my ring. The top slide from my finger. We have some clothespin there too. Okay. Okay. Hmm?
You won't put no mark on the clothes.
Okay.
Have to put it. Give me up on the wire.
Yeah. But this now was funny dress up for me. You know what the slide off of my finger. I think I watch a shot about 5 minutes now. and it's not dirty. Jeffrey just were go beach yesterday. Some of this stuff I'm gonna leave back, but I just don't want to bring no dirty clothes with me, and if I leave them back still, I'm still not gonna leave no dirty clothes, so I just rinse them out. Even if I will give these a second wash, and I did no soap, because we use a lot of soap in the beginning. Alright, well, everything left are colored clothes, so I just need to know, say, then I run. Nothing in the way to run. So after this, depending on how dirty the water is, I'm gonna change it to finish wash the rest. Enough clothes I'm washing at the backyard here, you know. Whole heap of clothes. Because we used to live here first before and Jeffrey built the house. And we used to wash right around here, so sometimes I wash whole heap of clothes and the clothesline popped down. That was horrible before we buy a machine. And even when we buy a machine, you know, say we don't have dryer, so still have to, the machine don't go rinse, wash and rinse. Still have to hang out the clothes them. I enjoy hanging out clothes, I just don't like taking them up and fold them, yeah. So today we're not going anywhere, we're just gonna chill. Jeffrey's cousin, which is my friend as well as my other friend, is coming by. We're gonna cook some seafood, and so they want pasta. So yes, today I'm gonna cook. Just gonna cook outside under the tree and just chat and laugh. And my friend said she have a big king crab for me, so probably curry that. I don't know if my braces can manage it. But I have before I migrate, I did have one of the things where I use cracked crab. I don't think we can find that, honestly, because my house I work fine, so we can't even go in. Well, we can go in there, but we can't sleep in there or anything. Breakfast break. Jeffrey wake up and make breakfast. Fry over dumpling and ackee and saltfish. I'm Tata man. Yeah, when you rub on my foot. Braces them. Can't manage the dumpling at all. Sit down and leave me alone. I'm eating peace. Then that's when we wake up. We play with you. Why close them?
If we don't have no space over there, so.
Okay.
We want to be dry.
So hang your white one over there, so?
Right one there, yes, because them, if they remember say if them not dry, you can put them with nothing else, like, you know.
Yeah. Check out that towel for me. I'm gonna put it
this one.
I'm gonna leave it this way because it look like something on funny. I'm gonna wash your white clothes and put them like this. They're really dirty still. But to make the clothes then white.
You know, so the little manga tree there, it all but it, when Logan did the man did chop all him, I go so we did all, we would have blossom for last year or year before.
What kind of mango?
It never bear yet. See it right behind the cedar tree there. Can't get it bear. See there? That little beanie one. See it round there. One little mango tree.
Oh, yeah.
We can't know our kind of mango.
And I could have one sweet mango.
I could have one good mango, I could have sucky mango.
You sucky mango tree then?
No, it's down there. It's just home. Could you come from there?
Yeah, I don't know if we can get some when you come back.
When you come back, yeah, when you come back.
One of the sweetest mango that's enough.
Oh, yes, eh.
They're right up there with East Indian.
Well, I know to come and never come. And the mango very in the tree. And you know, say, long after me take out the mango, and when me take out the mango good. The peel off the skin and eat it nice, same way, no change color or nothing. East Indian.
Alright, so I just have to finish up the white clothes them. And then give a first rinse, a second rinse, and then we hang out. This is first rinse, then second rinse, and then we're done. Take a shower and relax. Today is gonna be a chill day. What? Because I said today it's gonna be a chill day and he over there with my shit. God knows what I'm gonna do. I mean, what? Luis? You love chop too much, go put on your machine.
Yeah.
Everything end up in a one pan. Just rinse out the lighter color first. Can always rewash them, which they don't need to rewash, but just don't want to travel with no dirty clothes. Jeffrey!
No, I know it's the coach, but I know that
You close so she gone?
No, that's what she goes.
See your timings?
No, but more cut to them bush, because them bush, you know,
You can't light no fire no?
Yeah, electrical oil, fine. I can't order.
We just hang out clothes from morning out here from after 6. I'll make sun catch me. Can you imagine that? Sun catch me out here.
Children did this already.
Yeah.
Throw up this something there.
Did Kendra go hang out her clothes him? But she's still asleep.
I don't know where the Casa office is come from. I think Ajay did give me the one. If you plant here, you plant in the one that's something. It come green. Sometimes. Some of it look pinky, some look green. You have space and not have it.
chop bush and all and shirt them and the bush them and stain them because they don't want to have stain on it. Mint. Kendra!
Who is it, Tommy?
You!
You go.
You must stop chop bush and your clothes them and they must stain up for you.
What's the other?
Yeah. The one where come and say hi in my block. And did a screw out something then they are washing face or something.
How? Oh, I work, man.
Yeah.
In there.
They come but me not see them mother. They're in the different.
No, sir.
You come and wash your face and I don't hear no cement and mixer nothing.
Okay. And then come back to you.
Go.
No more to take off.
This way.
That's it. That's not
This is one of my favorite part of washing, hanging out the clothes them. Yep. Some people hang them clothes like this, like the t-shirt from down this end or up here. So which way you hang yours? I think one time I just started hanging it down here, but I realized they stretch from here, so I try to avoid stretching out the neck part. But probably hang it like this. But like this now you can hang it so because you don't have no sleeve to stretch out. Oh, if I close my wash, go on with a little thing for.
Yeah, man. Say hi.
No, my name cost putting more on my clothes them. No.
See camera there. Say hi to the camera. Oh, the camera now see you.
My name you rub against the clothes.
Come to the camera see you. Camera see you. Yeah, camera see you.
Look up a line.
Say hi, camera. Come. See you. Say hi, camera.
We're done. We're done wash. Yeah. I hang the underwear them on the back line on the so I'm not gonna show them, but the kids them always ask me why me teach them to hang underwear on the right side. But I hang it on the right side so that less dust particles go on them. But everything else I hang on the right side. I mean the wrong side. Because that's what I was taught. So yeah, that's the end of my day. Maybe I miss you now cause this morning. My chop down humans in them 2 torments. 140 leg in the run out on him too. We're done. We're done wash. Yeah. I hang the underwear them on the back line on the so I'm not gonna show them, but the kids them always ask me why me teach them to hang underwear on the right side. But I hang it on the right side so that less dust particles go on them. But everything else I hang on the right side. I mean the wrong side. Because that's what I was taught. So yeah, that's the end of my day.